Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to redeem Roblox codes. Let's get started. First, open Roblox and join the specific game where you want to redeem the code. Remember, promo codes only works inside certain Roblox game, not everywhere. Once you're inside the game, look for a code button or icon, usually on the side or bottom of the screen. Then click or tap it and a code redemption box will pop up. Some games also hide it in the settings menu, so check there if you don't see it. Then type your code exactly as it's given. Codes are case sensitive. And after that, hit redeem, and if the code is valid, you'll instantly get reward like coins, boost, or special items. If it says invalid, double check the spelling or see if the code has expired. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.